Okay. I think screen is visible, right?
It's visible, Abhishek.
Yes.
Yes. So in the same here also I'm using the same header file, that is standard input output and same int main. No problem, we can use void main also, but return type will not be there. And I'm using double ABC. Okay, it's int also you can use, no problem. When you give when you read the input is not accept, so that's why I have used here double. Okay, double means both integer type as well as and a decimal type. And that is I declared three numbers a, b, c. Three variables I have declared. Fine, a, b and c. So printf enter a first number a. First statement is I'm taking a value for a, and scanf percentage lf is a format specifier for double, for the what uh, double type. For double type we are using the format specifier as percentage lf. So ampersand a is a address operator where I'm giving the input value. It is being stored inside this variable a. Okay, so next I must take the input for second number, that is b. I have entered the second number b. Scanf percentage lf means it is storing the given input inside the variable b, ampersand b, where this value must go. If I'm using this ampersand b, the value goes and save inside this variable b. So this is the logic for swapping a number. Swapping a number in the sense, if I give an input like a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3, the output must be opposite to that. That is a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6. Okay, I think you got me. So first I'm using this C as a like a storage operator, like it is temporarily storing the value present inside the A. Fine. Then the stored value inside the A will be shifted to B and B will be shifted to C. So what happened at the first, the value of C was A, at the last it is of B. Here the process swapping took place. This is a very important uh, um, like logic. Okay, we can without the c also you can do like a is equal to a plus b, can do like that. Okay, now after swapping, printf after swapping the first number is percentage dot. What is the meaning of this percentage dot 2lf ampersand 10? Sorry, um, uh, backward slash n. It means that after swapping, the what was the first number, that is the what is the value that is stored in A is percentage dot 12f. This percentage dot 12f is a format specifier for double. Dot 2 indicates after each decimal point, two numbers must be executed. That is the meaning of dot 2. This backslash n means a new line function. That is the wait. Wait. New line function, and it is this percentage dot 2lf is stored inside a. You observe one thing, in scanf we are storing a value by using an address operator ampersand, whereas in printf statement, in order to put the value inside this string, that is inside I want value of a to be inserted in this string. So that's why I'm using percentage dot 2lf comma a. It means the value of a is stored in this is inserted in this string. So after swapping, the second number will be b, return 0. So let me try executing this. The output will be here. Okay, let me take a new terminal. Fine. Control S, Control Shift V, Control Alt. Here Wait a minute. Enter the first number A. So I'm giving the value for A, that is 8 I'm giving. For second number I'm giving 4. So after swapping, what result I must get? The value of 4 must be inside A and 8 must be inside B. See, after swapping, I think you are able to see the terminal, right? It's small. Let me make it large. Right? You can see, right?
Yeah,
Enter
it's
the
visible.
first number I inserted A.
Okay,
And,
okay, it's visible. It's
and
visible.
second
Okay.
number B, after swapping the first number is 4. And after swapping the second number is 8. The value got interchanged. Okay. I think you got me. If any doubts, you can ask me. I'll explain you. Anyone?
Yes, any doubts with the program? What he has explained?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Now you try with without using that temporary variable, C variable. Okay. So now I'll explain you that program, how to write that instruction. Okay. So you take the variables as A, B only without the C variable. You modify that. Abhishek, you do one thing. Okay. So in the same program itself, in the same terminal, you can do, no?
Yes, sir. I'm doing that.
Okay. Okay. What you do is you comment to those lines. C is equal to A is equal to B. You just comment it.
Okay.
No need
Okay,
to. It will be for your reference, no, or for
Sir.
other people. You make a Control Z undo. Okay. You comment all these three statements. Yeah, C is equal to A, and A is equal to B, and B is equal to C. You comment.
Sir. I did
Double
it, sir.
quotes. Okay. Okay, commented, no? Okay, now okay, in the next line you write the statement A is equals to
Yes, sir.
A plus B. A
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to A plus B. Next line.
Yes, sir.
Next line. A is equals to A minus B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next statement, B is equals to A minus B. B is equals to A minus B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you compile and run it.
Yes, sir. So enter first number A4, B9. Sir, I'm getting. No, sir. The logic is not right, sir.
No, it should work now. A is equal to A plus B, A is equal to A minus B, and B is equal to A minus B. Should work. What are the values you have taken for A?
Sir, I think
4
B
and
is
9.
equals to A plus B. Sir.
B is equal to A
Yes,
plus
sir.
B. No.
Yes,
B
sir.
is equal to A plus B.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
B is equal to A plus B. No, A plus B should not do, because okay. B is equals to A minus B we have to do in the second statement. There A is equals to A plus B are done, no? Okay, A is equal to A plus B, then B is
Yes, sir.
equals to A minus B, then A is equals to A minus B. Last statement A is equal to A minus B. We have to revert that one. The third statement. Okay, you need to make it as it. Okay, now you compile it and execute it.
Enter first number 4, second number 8. Yes, sir. After
Now
swapping,
it's
first number is 8, second number is 4.
4. Okay, so this is how you can perform the swapping of two numbers without using the temporary variable. Okay, just now previously the Abhishek what he has shown is using the temporary variable c. C has considered it as a temporary variable, and in the C variable you used to store the whatever the value is there in A, and then you used to swap the value whatever there in B. Okay, so this is with the using temporary variable, and just now using some expression, mathematical expression, we are performing the swapping of two numbers without using temporary variable. Okay, so I think you got clear with these two logic, correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Abhishek, do you have one more program that is a labels ಒಂದಿದೆನಾ?
Label, sorry, sir.
Label go
Sir,
to and label. Go to and label. Have you done that program?
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Okay.
No, sir, I haven't.
Okay.
ಇದು
We'll
ಮಾಡಿದೆ
do
sir.
one thing. Month date ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay, but I wanted to show that go
Yes,
to and label. Okay, so okay, we'll stop here itself. Okay, so in the tomorrow session, okay, I'll take up with that programs and one more lab program I'll take. Okay, so good, Abhishek, you have done well, and I have recorded these two programs also. If